Hello everybody and welcome to our lesson number 11, Verbs in Spanish. Today we are going to look at the category of verbs that we cater to in Spanish. There are three categories of verbs. 1. AR ending verbs. 2. IR ending verbs. 3. ER ending verbs. You all might be wondering, why am I telling you all of this? In this three category of verbs, today we will understand how to make the conjugation of these verbs. There is a set conjugation for each type of regular verb which will cater to more or less 90% of the conjugation. So it will be easy. You will have to learn just the way of conjugation, that means the endings, and you can conjugate any regular verb. This will be more clearer with the first category of verbs that we will take up today, that is AR ending verbs. The maximum verbs are in this category, AR verbs. So we need to understand first how do we place the verb, what are the endings that we will put, and then we will conjugate one verb together. So are you guys ready? Let's start with the concept of regular verbs conjugation. So to put this to more context, let's understand what are regular verbs. This can be anything. Any action word is a verb, and action words are like eat, play, drink, go, come. All these action words are verbs. But here we have a small twist. So what do we do here? We categorize regular verbs in three categories. AR verbs, IR verbs, and ER verbs. So what do we mean by this AR, IR, ER verbs? So here, to understand the concept is AR verbs, IR verbs and ER verbs are the ending. AR would be the ending, IR would be the ending, and ER would be the ending of the verb. Like hablar. So this AR is the ending of this particular verb. AR, hablar, means to speak. Abrir, to open. IR is the ending of this particular verb. ER, comer, to eat. Again, ER is the ending of the verb. So these are examples, and with these examples now you will understand how do we conjugate the verbs. So let's move on to the biggest category of the verbs, that is the AR verbs. Okay, so what do we do, or how to put this to more context is, what is the basics of conjugation of the verbs? So hablar is the infinitive form of the verb. Infinitive form of the verb states raw. Hablar is complete word. Okay. Hablar means to speak, as we've already seen in our last slide. What do we do to make it maybe I speak, you speak, or whatever is the conjugation? What do we do? So here hablar is the infinitive form which we've written here we remove the ending, that is the AR. So this AR will go out from here. We remove this. What is left is HABL. So this is your main part of the entire verb, which will be common for all the personal pronouns. What do we do next? So the conjugation is according to the personal pronouns. So we write down the personal pronouns. Yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas. Okay? Next, we put HABL everywhere. Right? HABL everywhere. So this follows in all of it. Now, what is the changing factor? The changing factor is the ending of the particular personal pronoun. So for yo, we use O as the ending. So it is yo hablo, I speak. Tú, the ending is AS. Tú hablas, you speak. For él and ella, the ending will always remain common. The ending is A. A. Él habla, he speaks. Ella habla, she speaks. Next, nosotros. Nosotros hablamos. Amos is the ending. A-M-O-S. Amos. Nosotros hablamos. We speak. Next, vosotros habláis. A-I-S is the ending. So when A-I-S is the ending, it's you all speak or you speak. It's a group of people that you address to who are in front of you. Vosotros habláis. Ellos, ellas. Plural form of él and ella. So, ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. A-N, A-N. Again the same endings. It means they speak. Ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. They speak. So the endings would be for yo, it is O, tú, it is as, él, it is a, ella, it is a, nosotros, it is amos, vosotros, it is ais, ellos, it is an, ellas, it is again an. Let's do it for another verb. Just to put things more to the context, let's do it for one more verb. Ganar. Again an AR verb. Means to win. We do the complete same process to conjugate the entire verb. We remove the AR and the root that is left with us is GAN. GAN. Now, yo gano. I win. Ending is O. Tú ganas. You win. Ending is AS. Él gana. Ella gana. He wins. She wins. A is the ending. Nosotros ganamos. Again, amos is the ending. We win. Vosotros ganáis. You win. Ais is the ending. Ellos ganan. Ellas ganan. They win. again an is the ending. So the pattern remains the same. Only what do we do is out of the infinitive form of the verb, we remove the ending, that can be AR, IR or ER. Once we remove the ending, we put it to all the personal pronouns and then we put the endings. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. This is applicable for the AR verbs. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Are Ruko? Please press the bell icon to not miss any update of our language channel Bloom Lingo, and wait for our next video as we are covering many of the concepts which will help you build your language skill. So, see you soon. Bye bye.